Kevin from Bowser Builds here. Today we're going to be introducing a new car. Let's go. Alrighty, and here it is. 1962 MG Midget. There we go. Just gonna do this one-handed. There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Walk through your light then.
You're good. There we go. All original looking engine. Don't worry. Still being worked on. All right. So with the new car, given this pile of parts, and we're now going to go through and figure out what we have, what we need. So I lost some of the footage for getting it to turn over. I'll play what we were able to get. The engine does run amazing, actually. It's been sitting for who knows how long. The gentleman I got it from said that he got it in 2000 and 6, I believe it was. Hey, I got a click. Why? That's why. It's not stuck. Sweet. Yeah. Who knows how long it had been sitting before then. This fender was already taken off, so we just kind of left it off for the time being. Looks like somebody was going through the wiring, which actually doesn't appear to be too terrible considering its age. So I had that off. So we did replace the points, is one thing we did have to do on it in order to get it going. Try this again. All right, so we got the new MG 62 Midget. Showed you everything around, parts, things like that. Now, I was out here messing with it. Normally I would film this, but just wanted to see if I can get something going. And the throttle linkage was kind of stuck here. So I decided to loosen that up and fire it up. And lo and behold, it runs. Not bad. Ignition and go. Obviously it needs a new grounding strap. Sprayed off as much as the sap as I could. It sat under a tree. Here's the fender for it. So it appears the car was originally a blue color. I was thinking we may go back to that color eventually. But overall, what we ended up with, we have all the replacement sheet metal for the floors for both sides. This bottom rocker panel here was replaced, just needs cleaned up again. I do have all the replacement for that. And then same on this side. All the replacements for down here. There's some obviously little bits here and there that'll need gone through and patched up and such. It's not going to be a showpiece, that's for sure. But just also sourced out a new one of these, well, used from another car in the Southwest. So pretty rust free, so we'll get that replaced. And I'm pretty sure what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna make it into a little race car clone. So we're gonna keep the same motor in it, put a roll cage in it, throw some numbers on it, just make it kind of look cool and make it a summer vehicle. Just to kind of have fun in. Nothing super major, something to throw, throw together and take to some local shows and just have fun with it. It's bit too far gone to fully restore my capabilities. So we're just gonna work with what we have and go from there. So if you have any ideas, suggestions, things you'd like to see, let me know down in the comments. But outside of that, this is it. So I look forward to more content coming from this one here. And stay safe out there. Have fun.